Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Xbox Cloud Gaming lag. First of all, check your internet connection. Use a stable high-speed connection. Minimum 10 megabytes per second recommended. Use a wired Ethernet connection if possible for better stability. Avoid Wi-Fi interference by moving closer to the router. Close background apps and devices. Close other apps or downloads running on your device or network. Limit the number of devices connected to your network or reduce bandwidth usage. Change video quality settings in Xbox Cloud Gaming settings. Lower the streaming quality to reduce lag. Choose balance or data saver mode if available. Use different browser or app. If playing on a browser, try using Microsoft Edge or the Xbox app for better performance. Clear your browser cache before playing. Also, try to restart your device and router. Restarting your gaming device, power cycle your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Update network drivers and system. Make sure your device's network drivers and OS are up to date. Enable KeyOS on router. Configure quality of service settings on your router to prioritize gaming traffic.